Honorable Governor of Meghalaya to kindly address the House.
Honorable Speaker, honorable members of Meghalaya State Legislative Assembly, a very good morning to you all. Now I probably ya fi paroha nasimam ikulam namgipa salam ko one chambers ka. Before I commence my speech, I am very sorry I cannot do my work today. Never in the history of my life I was not able to walk. But first time yesterday something happened, and because of that problem, I was supposed to come by wheelchair watching the first session. Very sorry. It gives me immense pleasure and privilege to attend this service house. For the first time on its first sitting for the year 2025. An enhancing service for citizens. We have made a significant advance in the past year, introducing innovative initiatives like CM, Connect and Hello Meghalaya. These efforts have leveraged technology to help put Meghalaya's vibrant culture heritage in the spotlight and ensure effective governance of our citizens. Will be deliberated upon by the other house. Kule, Mikela, Jai Hind, thanks all of you.